Hello everyone, my name is Yi and I currently work as a UX UI designer at Byteboost, a startup company that develops cycling performance application. Although my primary responsibility is doing user experience and interface design, I also work closely with product managers, software engineers, and also the leadership to help define product strategy and coordinate feature development. Working in a startup allows me to contribute beyond design, gain valuable project management experience. Also, make it possible to practice what I learn in class into reality. My daily rule includes designing new features for our iOS application, creating user flow and wireframes under team requirements, developing prototypes in Figma, and also writing specifications when syncing with the engineering team for the UI implementation. I also participate in product planning meeting, prioritize feature requirements, and conduct user testing during cycling sessions. Also collaborate with developers to make sure the final implementations matches the intended user experience. Some of the major projects I have worked on include designing a Reselect feature, which is a new feature in our app, making rider profile management, and doing onboarding implementations such as for the live race tracking. These projects require balancing user needs, technical constraints, business priorities, and also project timelines. For what I have learned in the program, this program has provided me many concepts that directly support my work. One of the most valuable sessions has been stakeholder management. I learned how to identify stakeholder expectations and communicate effectively with cross-functional terms and balance competing priorities when making product decisions. Another important rule has been agile project management. Since our team develops products iteratively, agile principles help us break larger features into manageable tasks, gather continuous feedbacks, and adapt quickly when requirement change. I also have learned the importance of ethical decision making, procure management, risk management, and also communication planning. These concepts are really helpful to make me think beyond design work and understand how successful technology projects are managed from beginning to end and how can I contribute as a designer role into it. I have already applied many of these lessons into my current role. For example, I now write more structured design specifications that reduce misunderstandings between designing and engineering. I use stakeholder analysis when presenting design proposals to ensure different team members with different backgrounds and all their concerns can be addressed before development begins. The communication and project planning techniques I learned have also helped me coordinate feature timeline more effectively and improve collaboration across our small team. Instead of focusing only on creating attractive interface, I now also consider project risk, implementation effort, business objectives, and long-term project strategy when making design decisions. Overall, this program has expanded my perspective from a primary background in design to think more like both a project manager and also a product leader, which is really helpful for a startup environment, and it has strengthened my communication, planning, leadership, and decision-making skills, allowing me to contribute more effectively to my organization. And in the meantime, being able to work in a small startup team that everyone stay close and work closely together also make it possible for me to practice what I learned in class into reality and improve with real life practice. I really look forward to continuing to apply this learning concept as I advance my career in technology and project management. Thank you for listening.